In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a video background in a section in Hosting a Website Builder. If you want to make your website look more dynamic and visually engaging, adding a video background is a great option. It can help a section feel more modern and professional, especially on homepages, landing pages, or promotional sections. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process inside Hosting a Website Builder so you can do it quickly and confidently. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to edit. Then, click on Website to access your site settings and management area. From there, click Edit Website. This will open the Website Builder, where you can make visual changes to your pages in real time. After the editor loads, the next step is to add a new section. Find and click Add Section. This is where Hostinger gives you different types of pre-designed sections that you can place on your page. Among the available options, click Video. This will show you section designs that support video content or video backgrounds. Now choose the layout that fits your website style best. Take a moment here to pick a design that works well with your content, because the layout affects how text, buttons, and other elements will appear over the video. Once you've selected the layout, insert it into the page. Next, click on the video section you just added. Inside that section, click directly on the video area and then choose Edit Video. This is the setting you'll use to define what video appears in that section. At this point, you have two simple options. You can paste a video link if your video is already hosted online, or you can click Upload Video if you want to use a file from your own device. If you're uploading a video, it's a good idea to use a file that is high quality but still optimized, so your page loads smoothly. If you're pasting a link, make sure it's the correct video you want displayed. Once the video is added, review how the section looks on the page. Make sure the video fits well with the layout and doesn't distract from any text or call to action placed on top of it. A clean, visually balanced section usually creates the best result. And that's it. That's how to set a video background in a section in Hosting a Website Builder. After making your changes, don't forget to save and publish your website so visitors can see the updated version.